I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping the flow quickly. Close the main shutoff and open a low drain point so the line empties. This prevents flooding while you work. Once drained, inspect the break to decide if you replace a section or patch a crack. Choose repair type based on damage length and corrosion. Put on gloves and eye protection because rust flakes and shards will fly. Make sure to have a bucket and rags ready to catch residual water as you start cutting. You now cut out the corroded portion. Mark 1 to 2 inches beyond visible damage, then saw squarely to preserve fit. Once removed, debur edges and wire brush both mating surfaces until shiny. This improves seal adhesion and prevents leaks. Measure the gap carefully and dry fit the new pipe or a hubless coupling. A snug fit reduces strain. If converting to a hubless repair, use gasketed coupling sized to the pipe OD. This is faster and avoids You install the replacement by lubricating the gasket and sliding the coupling centered over both pipe ends. This ensures an even seal. Tighten clamps progressively and evenly to the manufacturer torque. Uneven torque causes pinhole leaks. Once secured, restore water slowly and watch for drips at the seam. A steady pressure test for 15 to 30 minutes confirms integrity. If you see seepage, stop, red-eye tin bolts in sequence, or swap the gasket. Often receding fixes small leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.